house. Look how far my mom lives. Wait a minute.
It loads, but then it just disappears.
Alright.
Probably because you're not doing it right. First few times. Alright, Kelsey, no running. Oh no, every time I did it, I did it while we were coming back from camping.
Little lady, what do you want? Why do you want a hot dog? But I made pork chops and we may be out of hot dogs. We may be out of hot dogs. Well, I guess you're hungry. Yes, my fridge is very empty. Tomorrow is grocery shopping day. Hey, hey. Come on, come on. It's raining, sweetie.
Oh, that was fun.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe this thing. What's that mean? Oh.
There we go. Another crazy night of rain. Yeah, rain, go away. Oh, I'm getting wet. Oh, joy. You know it's raining when the ceiling's leaking. The window's leaking, I should say. So this happens like every 3 to 6 months. So, yes, we have towels. Woohoo! Can you hear the thunder in the background? Like,
Kelsey, either up or down. Don't stand at the top of the steps.
some craziness. And
What?
that's one window.
Here.
That's the other window. So, yay for ceiling leaks.
Huh?
Both sides now. Ooh, there we go. That was the thunder.
I'm going to win. Boom! like fire.
What are you guys doing?
Trying.
Trolling on Mommy's leg.
I'm gonna show him. Can I?
I'm supposed to lift my leg up to show him? Okay.
Isn't it good, buddy?
Oh my goodness.
Our mom has not been paying attention.
No, Mommy was just letting you draw on her leg.
Yep.
Alright. Mommy. Woo! Mommy needs to take a shower.
No, you don't.
Say goodnight, Kelsey. Say goodnight, Fee.
Night. Good night.
Good night. Bye.
Peace out.